We are pleased to announce that Cordis Solutions is the winner of the Sapphire Madrid 2012 Partner Innovation Award for their Duet Enterprise solution for myCompensation. This is the home page and user interface. A tiled layout, surfacing the apps you choose to see.
I'm now going to submit a requisition. Let us choose item 1. Stationery, which is a marker pen. I add this item to my cart. My shopping cart total is updated. Another, an office item, and office desk. I add this item to my cart. If I go to the checkout, I see there is 2 items. One for £7, one for £250. And as soon as I push submit, it will send it to SAP as a requisition. The important thing is, an item that is less than £100 is a self-approval. So, this item, the marker pen, will be self-approved. The office desk, which is over my threshold, will be sent to my manager for approval. Or, you can create a requisition directly, without going through the previous route of looking for the item within the myGuidedBuy catalog. It is stationery. I know it's material group 006. And the price is £60. Again, there is a lot more information that's required to buy something. What we tend to do in SharePoint is default a lot of the information in. Let me create one more item. Expensive books. So in this case, the price of this item is £160, so that's going to require my manager's approval. And if I want to attach attachments, I do. Supposing there was a specification of this book, I attach an attachment to this item by simply clicking this icon. The operation has completed successfully. Let us record this number, it is 15359. Purchasing is made simple. Casual users could easily buy goods and request for approval. With Duet Enterprise and SharePoint, the interface is very intuitive and easy to use.
The requisition is outstanding. I look at the requisition that Edith has sent to me. She wants a quite expensive book for £160. Now before I actually approve this, I also want to pop over to SAP and show you something about the SAP release strategy and how that is interacting with that. I go over to SAP, to my requisitions. For Edith. You will notice the cheaper item went through. And obviously, when I looked at the requisition, I only saw one line. So the inexpensive item, for £60 a book, that went through. Whereas, the expensive item, the expensive book, has a release strategy, and the release strategy tells me it has to be approved by a manager. And that is exactly why this has been sent over to me. And if I go to the attachment listing and double-click on it, you will find the specification. The attachment is here, and I open it. So let us go back to the requisition description and finally approve this requisition as well. If I needed to, I could also make an approval via my mobile phone, as this application is cross-platform compatible.
I see the requisition I created for the expensive book has been approved by my manager and has now been completed, so I wait to accept delivery of this item.
The users are presented with a clean and intuitive interface that shows them meaningful information to make an informed business decision.